Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, it's all about pay-per-call. We're gonna talk about running ads on TikTok for pay-per-call campaigns. So let's get right into it. So pay-per-call has been getting steam recently, mainly from the verticals of debt and healthcare, or health insurance, kind of ACA in other words. But it's been picking a lot of steam. There's a lot of cap, which means if there's a lot of cap, there's a lot of people running it. There's a lot of people running it. People are running it on TikTok ads. So I've been running pay-per-call both on Facebook and TikTok, primarily on TikTok, more profitable, better quality traffic. I've been coming on TikTok. So I want to make a video about it. Right now I'm doing about $10,000 in rev on it. I would say 50% margins, 5K profits. I mean, on the spend, the ROAS is too. So it's been looking pretty good. So kind of want to dive deep into it. Now, this won't be as technical as kind of idea video. So I'm going to show you guys kind of the ad account. However, in the ad accounts, we're running like 3 to 4 to 5 different ad accounts, and they're all kind of running the same thing. We're just kind of scaling that way. So this will be more of an overview of what I do. So it won't be very helpful if you're kind of getting into it, but if you're just kind of already have an idea, this will be pretty helpful in you getting an idea of how to scale, how to turn off bad ad groups and not spend money. So yeah, I mean, before getting into ad account, one more thing is that it's important to have a good buy tree. If you're running Ringbo on your own and you have phone numbers, great. If you're not, use there's people that made websites that have everything for you that's integrated to Everflow. That's the easiest way. I mean, you could do it through TA as well. So, but this will be going straight through the ad. All right, so getting to the account, again, I am running multiple TikTok accounts through this. So if you guys are interested in TikTok walkthrough, I just uploaded a video. The video before this talking about TikTok ads walkthrough and how to create accounts. So here, I kind of want to show you guys the way I structure. I mean, the structure is pretty similar to everything that I have it's a campaign. So here we were doing ad groups, and so we do $500 budget. So the issue with pay-per-call is usually there's a window. It's usually from 6:30 a.m. to 3:30 Pacific, or 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 6:30 Eastern. And so because of that, you have to put high budgets. So theoretically, this will only spend $200 throughout the day because it only runs through a short period of the day. So usually we like putting high budgets. However, a big caveat to this, guys, is you have to warm up. So I deleted a lot of the warm up campaigns because they get rejected, and if you have a lot of rejected ads, your account gets flagged, so we delete them. But just to kind of give you guys a little overview of how this does, is that we ran this campaign for quite a bit before it started making profitable. I used to see our CPA is 27. The payout is usually around in the 40 range. So this account, what we did is we ran 4 ad groups here, and we started off with $100, and we were just warming up, right? We're losing money. However, here's a big problem or a big mistake that a lot of you guys do is you guys would run on budgets, and because the CPA is 40, you would wait all the way to $40 before deciding if a ad group is good or not. So what I started doing is started tracking based on initiated checkout. So what I do is on Everflow, I fire the pixel as a complete payment when I get a conversion, but I also, when there's an incoming call, I fire a initiated checkout event. So that way, whenever I'm running ads, so for example, let's say I was running this campaign, when I'm running it, I see my initiated checkout. See the total 7,312, and I don't have it displayed right now, but I would have a cost per initiated checkout. So my sweet spot is around $15. If I could get costs to be under $15 per incoming calls, usually it's a profitable campaign. However, because it's pay-per-call, again, it's different because it's different when somebody calls and when somebody's actually qualified, right? There's certain criteria to be able to qualify. You need to be, if this is talking about ACA, you need to be between 25 and I believe it's 64, so not on retirement, and you have to make less than I think $4,000 a month. There's certain criteria to it, and what you have to do is you pretty much have to target those people, but you don't really know how to target those people that'll be interested, so you kind of have to just run open, broad, and let the pixel work it. But while the pixel is working it, you'll lose money here and there. However, once you make it work, you could share pixels on TikTok. So we literally have one pixel sharing throughout 6 ad accounts, and they're all running and they're all pumping out cash. So that's kind of a caveat to it. But anyways, that's kind of the biggest thing that I wanted to mention. Mostly everything is manual. We turn off, we don't really use stop losses rules like we do for CPA offers or rev share offers. You could as a safety net, but typically everything is manual and high budgets. So this is one of the accounts that we're doing. As you can see, we have have 23k spend. I want to show you guys another account. Here's another account we're running on. This is a pretty fresh account. So if we look today, we only spent $883 on it. So it's kind of the same thing here. If you go to initiate a checkout, cost per initiate checkout. So here, this is pretty much cost per call. So as you can see, I'm getting $9 for incoming call, and my ROAS, this ROAS is like 2.2. It was a little off because tracking didn't work. You see where my calls, my cost per initiate checkout is cost per incoming call is low, the campaign is really profitable. Where it's high, it's not making money. So instead of waiting for the total cost to reach 40 bucks before killing it, I could kill it at, you know, $15. This is too high. Usually it's $15, and then I'll know that like this will make money because the incoming call is so low, and it's a matter of chance before the incoming call converts into a paid lead. And so yeah, I mean, I made so much campaigns here. I mean, cost caps, my cost caps are pretty big. So if you look into them, they're $5,000 budgets. So you see you got some disapproved. I'm actually gonna make a video after this one about how to get through ad disapprovals like these. So I run cost caps 34, 33, 36, and just 5k budgets on them. So just slam them. So I'm scaling on this ad account, running CBOs, $1,000 budgets, $2,000 budgets. This is all just testing. So just have like 8 testing campaigns. Like my budget on this starting tomorrow is I think like 50 grand. Now more like close to 100 grand starting budget, but a lot of them are cost caps, so technically it's not a realistic. But if all goes well, this account should spend around like close to 10 grand tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, this video is kind of short, just very broad, just a lot of me talking, but I really wanted to show you guys that how my ad account looks like scaling, because a lot of you guys have been asking. So if you're trying to run pay-per-call, ACA, really good opportunity to literally double your cash. I mean, we've been making good money. So if you're interested, hit up the account manager or your account manager. They could help you set it up. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. The biggest thing, guys, is it takes time to warm up because these are calls. You know, you're probably used to running $10, $15 CPA offers, but these are, you get paid $40 per conversion. So it's the more you get paid per conversion, the longer the warm-up process is. So definitely give it a few days before you kind of hit the gas pedal. But it's been working, been making money. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys. Again, if you want to know how to create TikTok ads account without getting banned, press here and there'll be a video popping up on exactly how to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.